got their protein powder, and it's vegan. And look at that, they have a girl with natural hair on the cover. So I'm gonna be putting some OJ, and I like my smoothie stick. Tastes pretty good. Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have an unboxing of some products that I got from Protein World. It says healthier, fitter, and stronger, and summertime is coming. I know you guys want to get your bodies in shape, so I'm going to show you some products that you can purchase that are healthy for you, and they do have vegan options as well. So let's get into the video. This is my first time trying anything from Protein World. The company reached out to me and wanted me to choose some of their supplements, and here is the box. It comes in this big box. What I will be doing is making a smoothie for you today, so I'll be trying one of their products, actually two. One I tried already in front of you so that you can see my reaction, see how I liked it and everything like that. I'm gonna look on their website right now and tell you just a little bit about the company. It says what makes Protein World different, and they say that we pride ourselves on delivering high quality premium products with our most delicious flavors. So I cannot wait to try it. It says that there is top quality suppliers and their products are soy free and GMO free. I know some people have issues with soy, and a lot of us don't want GMOs, myself included, in my products, so that is definitely a plus. They also said we're your experts in nutrition and you are our PW family, and they're based in the UK, and their products are manufactured with highly sought after ingredients. I like the fact that they're based in the UK because I have, in research that I've done, like a lot of products that are sold here in the US, I don't know how they get on the shelves, but they sell us all types of stuff. In the UK, they're more strict with like what ingredients that companies put in their products, and that's a whole nother story. So that's a plus. So yeah, I think that's basically everything. So I'll take out the product, share with you some of the stuff that I got, and then I'll let you know a little bit more. So I got their protein powder, and it's vegan. And look at that, they have a girl with natural hair on the cover, so that is so super awesome. I got their multivitamin capsules. I got their slender plant-based protein bar. I also got their slender mug cake mix. So, and then I got just two scoopers, I guess, one for the cake mix, one for the protein powder. So for this protein powder, which I'm so excited to try, I got it in the flavor vanilla, and it says high protein, it's 209 calories and low sugar. Perfect for the summer because I'm about to be getting fit for the summer. I just have some areas of my body that I want to work on, overall fitness and weight release goals. So you're going to be with me along that journey. And yeah, so this is a vegan blend, so you can use this as a meal replacement or a post-recovery, what does it say, snack. You can use it as a snack, a meal replacement, or a post-workout smooth. You can put it in your smoothie or whatever. I'm going to be using these in my smoothies. Let me see, how do you use this? Substituting 2 daily meals of an energy restricted diet with meal replacements contributes to weight loss. So if you want to lose weight, I guess you will replace meals with this, which comes in handy because I'm always working at home now, and I just like to have stuff that I can grab, but I want to make sure that the stuff that I'm grabbing is healthy, so this is going to help out a lot. As I'm reading on the bottom, it's saying that This blend is part of their their weight loss plan, and their weight loss plan is online. I have not checked that out yet, so I'll definitely do a follow-up video on these products so that you can know how I like them overall. Right now I'm just doing this unboxing to share with you. So here are their multivitamin capsules, and it says they have biotin and zinc and iron. It says take 1 capsule 3 times a day with food or in a shake. And these are all the vitamins that's in it. I have to do some more research on their products. So again, I haven't tried it yet, but I will do a follow-up video. These are their slender plant-based protein bars. I tried this already, I couldn't wait. I actually opened up the box, but I had to keep myself from eating both because I knew that I had to do the unboxing. So yeah, this bar has, it says protein bar coated with milk chocolate with sweetener, dates, wait, hold on. Okay, so I'm a little confused with the bar because it says plant-based protein, so I would assume that it was plant-based, but I don't see that it says vegan on it. And it says protein bar coated with milk chocolate with sweetener, and if it's supposed to be plant-based, then it shouldn't have any milk in it. So I'm a little confused. But moving on, the ingredients say dates, pea protein, almonds, cacao powder, milk chocolate with sweetener, maltitol, and chocolate chips. So I'm gonna have to check with them to see if this does have milk in it. At this point, I've already tried it and it's okay. And I'm not gonna be so oh my gosh, but I will do more research on it. I prefer to just have plant-based, all vegan products, so this is a little bit confusing, so I will reach out to them to ask them about that. Now this is their slender mug cake mix. It's supposed to be like a cake mix that's like a better alternative than just having regular cake, because it's supposed to be healthier. Again, I have not tried this, and I don't believe this is vegan because I see on the back first and foremost that it has milk and whey powder. So yeah, I thought I did tell them to send me all vegan products, but I'm not too sure. So no biggie. I'm not gonna you know, I know some of my viewers do have you know, I know some of my viewers are not plant-based, so I'm just sharing this with you. Either way, no biggie. So what we're gonna do is try the smoothie today, and I'm actually gonna try all of them. I'm gonna try the smoothie. I'm gonna taste this for you on camera. So let's make our smoothie, and we're gonna use this powder right now. Okay, so I'm ready to make the smoothie. I have all my ingredients here. I decided I wanted to make a banana and pineapple smoothie. So I have my frozen pineapples here, and I have my frozen bananas here. I'll be using unsweetened almond milk, and yeah, this is a Whole Foods brand. So I have my blending cup right here. You guys stay tuned because I have an unboxing of my personal Ninja blender, which I got for my birthday. If you haven't seen my birthday vlog already, definitely check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put like, I think that's about 4 ounces. I think I'm gonna put some orange juice in there as well, just to give it some little extra something. Shake that up, and this is the Whole Foods brand. So I'm gonna be putting some OJ, and altogether it's 8 ounces because I put 4 and 4. You guys, the measurements don't have to be exact. It really just depends on you. From using this blender, I know, you know, that that's the amount that I should put in it to have the smoothie the way I like it. Some people like their smoothies more frozen or whatever. I don't ever measure anything, so I just put a couple of pineapple chunks. I haven't had pineapples in a while, so this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna add some banana. I have them cut already in half, so 1/2 and another half. makes a whole. So now I'm gonna add my Protein World Vegan Blend. I was looking at the back and this has so many vitamins and minerals on it, so I'm so excited about that. I'm a little confused about the protein. It says protein and then it says G, so I think that's for grams, and it says 59.2, but I've never had a protein powder have that much protein. Then it says with water is 23.7 and with almond milk is 25.3. So I'm a little confused about that, but being that this is from the UK, there may be just like a difference in the conversion. So I'm gonna use the 4 scoops that it tells me to use. And the flavor I got was vanilla, and I'm gonna show you. That's what the powder looks like. So I'm just gonna scoop it up with the scooper they gave me. So let me not make a mess. Just scoop this over. So 1. Does seem like a lot. 2. Because they say when you're not making with a smoothie, you could just use almond milk and then shake it with the almond milk and make it like a drink. I think that's good too, because I spend a lot of money on protein drinks. So if I have the protein powder myself, I can just do it. And this is 3 scoops. I don't know. I feel like I don't want to put more, because I don't know. I feel like that's too much powder. So we're going to try 3. And then if it doesn't really taste really too good or whatever, then I'll know to just add 4. For some reason, I've never put 4 scoops of that. Looks like a lot of powder to me. See all the powder right here? Plus I have the bananas and all that extra stuff. So let me blend. What I'm gonna do, since this is my first time trying this, is I'm gonna use a spoon to try it, and then that'll tell me if I should put anything extra in it. Let's see. I like my smoothies thick. Tastes pretty good. It tastes really good. It doesn't seem like I need more of the powder though, but I will put some ice cubes. I think I ran out of ice cubes. Let me check. I gotta refill my ice cube tray. I literally had like 1 ice cube left. Crazy. So I'm putting my 1 ice cube in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in my mason jar. It's really thick too. Look at that. I love my smoothies thick. I just love thick smoothies. And this is more than what this will hold. I think these jars are only 16 ounces. So I have some left over. But let me clean up before I try this for you guys. Okay, so my favorite part. Time for the taste test. I know it tastes good from the sample that I had. So I guess the ice cube just watered it down a little bit and made it more cold and made it more thick, hopefully. It's thick, so it can't come up the straw. It's good. I think the combination of the pineapple and the vanilla tastes really good. So this is a banana pineapple smoothie with vanilla. Tastes super, super good. I love it. So I don't think 4 scoops was necessary. Maybe if it's just with almond milk, then yeah, but with a smoothie, I think I could probably get away with 2 scoops still. I'll play around with it and let you guys know for my update, but I'm so hungry. I didn't eat all day. I waited to eat because I knew I wanted to do the unboxing. So let me take this on camera so you can see. So for these vitamins, I prefer vitamins that come from plant sources. Like when it has vitamin C, it's going to show you that it's coming from the almond fruit or whatever like that. But I don't see that here. But I'm just letting you guys know. I'm going to take 1 because it says take 1 3 times a day. You can take it with food or in a shake. So I guess this is comparable to taking it in a shake because I have a shake right now. You might need water to get it down. I got it down. So we'll see. And then we're going to try this Slender bar on camera so you know what it tastes like. I tried it already, but we're going to get a recap. This is what it looks like, and yeah, so it's one of those bars that's like this. So this is what it looks like. So it's one of those bars that are kind of chalky. That's what I call it, because most of the protein bars that I like to have like the Rice Krispie, and then it has like the cacao chocolate over it. This one is the more, you see what it's like. It tastes good. It's not too sweet, but for those of you who don't like your bars chalky kind of, then this is not for you, because I know my sister doesn't like these types of bars. I'm a little versatile with it, but yeah, I do have to follow up with them because it says plant-based protein. So that's what it might be. It may be that the protein is plant-based, but the rest of the bar is not plant-based. See, you gotta really know how they use wording and everything. So this is not vegan. So most likely I probably won't be ordering, like I probably won't need them to send me more of these, because I prefer, if I have a choice, to not have stuff that's not vegan. You know, every now and then I make exceptions, like, you know, if I'm going to a party or something like that, or, you know, but if I have a choice, like I really like to not, whatever. But for you guys who are not vegan but want plant-based protein, you know, this could be a good option as a snack. And I'm gonna do research on their whole meal plan and let you guys know. So I will be doing a follow-up video. Let me know some of your fitness goals for the summertime. Let me know if you want to lose weight, if you just want to get more active, if you want to get more water in your diet, or you're looking for a multivitamin or protein shake or any type of fitness program. Put it in the comments. Let me know. Let's keep the conversation going. And I will do a follow-up on all of these products. Make sure to give this video a like and share. I will leave all the links in the description. And guess what, you guys? I have a discount code that you can use, and I'm gonna put it on the screen, my discount code, so that you can get, I think it's 40% off of these products. So definitely use my discount code. That will help me out, get a small commission, and you'll save money on your products. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all.